Okay, so today we're gonna be doing the same structure as last time. So we're gonna be completing number 1, then we're gonna go over here. Obviously you don't have bikes or rows. If you do, then you can utilize them, but with the dumbbells, we're doing 100 alternating jabs. Then you're gonna roll both dice. Whatever that number is, you just multiply it by 2. Then you're gonna do the dumbbell T-taps, which are with the quick feet. So I'll show you that once I get moving here. And then once you complete that one, you go to number 2. Complete number 2, then complete number 1 again. If you are tight with time and you want to get through everything, you can just do number 2, then you go here, there, and then go to number 3. Usually in class when we do the ladder, we go to the next number and then you climb your way all the way back up to the first one, and then you go over here, then you go to the next number. So it's up to you what you want to do, but that's how we normally do it. So roll with it and it should work pretty well, and it should be around 40 minutes. So, okay, so I do have cones set up here and then over here. So depending on how big of a space you have, you may just have to go a shorter distance, which is fine. So let's just say I have it set up in class for you to just go down and back once. If you have a smaller space, you may have to just go down and back twice or down and back 3 times, just depending on how much square footage you have. So not a big deal there, just kind of work with what you have, but this is what I have set up for in the actual gym. So number 1, we're doing 8 reps, 2 Spider-Man push-ups, burpee. So you're gonna kick the feet out. You're gonna drive the left knee up, push up, right knee up, push up, jump it out, and that's 1. So you do that 8 times through. Number 2, 1-arm squat press. You're going right and left, so try and go as heavy as you can on this one. So I want the 10 reps to be quite challenging. So dumbbell starts on the shoulder, feet shoulder width, keep the chest up, drop it down, try and get your elbow to your knee. Up, power to the ceiling. Down, up. You're gonna do 10 on the right, then you're gonna switch. Same thing on the left. Down, powered up, 10 on each. So 20 total reps, 10 on each arm. Number 3, 12 barbell burpees. So we don't do these very often. So again, if you don't have a barbell set at home, you can just use your dumbbells. It's totally fine. But you are gonna have knuckles up for the grip. You're gonna kick it out. So once you do that burpee with the barbell, you're gonna reverse curl and skull crusher. So I'll do kind of like a side angle. So down, kick it up. Then right up here, knuckles up again, elbows in. I guess I'll go here. And you're gonna go up, you're gonna skull crusher behind, 90 degrees, up and down, and then right back down. Burpee, stand, elbows in, up, elbows in, up and down. So you're gonna rotate through that one for 12. That one should be a pretty good one. So then, number 4. So for this one, we're gonna start the cones. I'll just kind of do it here so it's in view of the camera. So you're gonna go from cone to cone, the other side. So with the dumbbells, plank position, you're gonna jab it out front, then you're gonna step it, and you're gonna push. Other one, jab, step, and push. So you're just gonna do that jab, work the shoulders, hold nice and sturdy with the other hand, fully extend, and then all the way down. So it should be a stagger with the hands. So one hand should be in front of the other. Get that full push up in, chest to the ground. Then other hand, jab, step, and push. So you're just doing that one full length, and then you're good to go with that one. next one, you're gonna do an overhead dumbbell hold. So this one is really if you have like a basement that you can use, or if you have some space to use. If not, you can do kind of just shorter little sprints. But you're gonna hold the dumbbells over your head, you're gonna run down, turn around, run back. Once you get back, you're gonna do 10 dumbbell press. So right here, up. So fully extend. Try not to use the legs, just use the shoulders. And then if it gets too heavy, then you can use the legs a little bit. So that will count as 1. Then you're gonna hands up, down and back again, 10 more dumbbell press for 2. You're gonna do that 4 times through. So that's what the red times 4 is for. So pretty straightforward there. Number 6. The first part can be done without dumbbells. You don't really need them unless you have any wrist issues. If you do have some wrist issues, use the dumbbells, and you can use the dumbbells for that to take the pressure off of your wrists. So we're doing 40 narrow wide push-ups. So narrow is 1, wide is 2. So elbows in, then shift it out, back in. So if you need to go to the knees, that's fine. Just make sure as you shift the hands, you pop up off the knees to shift, then down, push, up, shift, down, and push. So you do 40 total. Once you get 40, grab your dumbbells. You're gonna go seated, feet off the ground. You're gonna twist, jab it straight across. If you need to modify, you can lightly set the heels on the ground and do the same thing. Just make sure you're engaging the core, and then obviously the jabs, you'll be working the shoulders. Obviously the alternating, the 100 jabs is pretty straightforward. You're just gonna do it standing. So you're just gonna go as fast and as hard as you can for 100. When you roll the dice, you're gonna multiply the number by 2. It's on 11 right now, so you're gonna do 22 T-taps. As you're doing the T-taps, hands up, you're gonna be moving the feet. So I'm just gonna do both taps. If you don't have anything to tap on, you can use a stair, or you can just do a high knee run. The reason we do high knee runs and don't just stand there is because every time you jar up and down, you're working the shoulders. So do something where you're kind of getting your body moving. So the T-tap part, start on the side, arms straight, and you're gonna tap out front and then extend to the side. Tap and extend. So every time you tap and extend, it counts as 1. For the dice, how they are now, you'll do 22 of them. So once you complete those, then you move on to the next number. Like I said at the beginning, 40 minutes. And as we've done the last couple days, prayers and meditation. So hope everyone's healthy and safe. Enjoy these workouts. Leave comments below on any feedback. Make sure you like the posts, like all the videos, and anything that we can do to improve the videos, make sure you let us know. But this ladder should be a pretty good one. Should work the upper body, shoulders, chest, triceps, biceps, and some back. So enjoy it, 40 minutes. Let us know how it goes, and we'll see you tomorrow for our cardio day number 2.